Welcome to Skunkworks Weinheim. This is my self-designed Gullwing of Polish PZL 11 fighter. 3D printed, but without a reinforcement, without a wing spar, very vulnerable and probably, or better say for sure, would crack under G-load. So I decided to insert a glass fiber structure and reinforcement by carbon fiber at the most vulnerable parts of the structure. So I mixed the two components of glass fiber, of polyester resin, not sure if it's the right word. And this is my thermo camera to check the hardening. I made a little sample of the wing structure to check if it works. And here you can see the exotherm hardening process. It's important the mixing ratio to maintain it by a way like I did here. Once again, in this groove later will be the glass fiber and the reinforcements. Hope the right word. Sorry for my English, I'm German. But that's how my idea was. This is the rig here, printed too, for fixing the wing. I think this wing is a beauty itself. The whole airplane, I say again, the PZL 11 was a beautiful airplane. I think this means P for Polish, Z for samolot. This is a Polish word for aircraft. And the rest L, I don't know. Okay, that's all. May you like my video and may you follow the process of designing, building and hopefully flying this machine.